Welcome back, looters. I am your host on Tick to Loot, the channel where we turn ticks into treasure. Today we are on Lesson 11.2 of Unit 11, Algorithmic Trading Fundamentals. In this lesson, we're going to cover the pros and cons of algo versus manual trading. By the end of this video, you will understand how to weigh the advantages and disadvantages of each approach and make an informed decision that suits your trading style and goals. Let's get into it. Algorithmic trading, or algo trading, refers to the use of computer programs to automatically execute trades based on predefined rules. Manual trading, on the other hand, involves making trading decisions manually without the use of automated systems. Both approaches have their strengths and weaknesses, and it's essential to understand these pros and cons to become a successful trader. So what do we mean by pros and cons of algo versus manual trading? Simply put, it's about understanding the advantages and disadvantages of each approach. For algo trading, some pros include the ability to execute trades quickly and accurately without emotions getting in the way. Algo trading can also monitor multiple markets and execute trades 24/7, which is not possible for human traders. However, some cons of algo trading include the risk of technical issues, such as computer crashes or connectivity problems, which can result in lost trades or incorrect executions. Additionally, algo trading requires a significant amount of programming knowledge and expertise to develop and maintain the trading algorithms. Let's consider a simple example of algo trading in action. Suppose we have a trading algorithm that buys the euro to US dollar currency pair when the 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day moving average and sells when the 50-day moving average crosses below the 200-day moving average. This algorithm can be programmed to execute trades automatically without the need for human intervention. However, if the algorithm is not properly tested and validated, it may result in incorrect trades or significant losses. This highlights the importance of thoroughly backtesting and evaluating algo trading systems before deploying them in live markets. One of the most common mistakes beginners make when it comes to pros and cons of algo versus manual trading is not fully understanding the underlying principles of algo trading. Many beginners rush into algo trading without taking the time to learn about programming languages, data feeds, and trading platforms. This can result in incorrect implementation of algo trading systems, leading to significant losses or poor trading performance. It's essential to take the time to learn about algo trading and to thoroughly backtest and evaluate any trading system before deploying it in live markets. So, how can you apply the pros and cons of algo versus manual trading in your own trading? Here's a practical, step-by-step guide. First, define your trading goals and objectives. What do you want to achieve through trading? Are you looking for short-term gains or long-term growth? Second, assess your trading style and preferences. Do you prefer the flexibility of manual trading or the automation of algo trading? Third, evaluate your resources and expertise. Do you have the programming knowledge and skills to develop and maintain algo trading systems? Finally, test and evaluate different trading approaches and continuously monitor and adjust your strategy as needed. The pros and cons of algo versus manual trading also connect to risk management. Effective risk management is critical to successful trading, regardless of whether you use algo or manual trading. Algo trading can help to mitigate some risks, such as emotional trading or incorrect executions, but it also introduces new risks, such as technical issues or incorrect algorithm implementation. Manual trading, on the other hand, relies on human judgment and decision-making, which can be prone to errors or biases. By understanding the pros and cons of each approach, you can develop a risk management strategy that suits your trading style and goals and helps you to minimize losses and maximize gains. Let's consider a real-world example of risk management in algo trading. Suppose we have an algo trading system that buys the pound sterling to US dollar currency pair when the 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day moving average. To manage risk, we can set a stop-loss level at 50 pips below the entry price and a take-profit level at 100 pips above the entry price. This helps to limit potential losses and lock in profits, while also allowing the trade to breathe and potentially reach its full profit potential. By combining algo trading with effective risk management, we can create a powerful trading strategy that helps us to achieve our goals and minimize losses. The pros and cons of algo versus manual trading are not static, and they can change over time as markets evolve and new technologies emerge. It's essential to continuously learn and adapt to these changes and to stay up to date with the latest developments in trading and risk management. By doing so, you can refine your trading strategy, improve your performance, and stay ahead of the competition. Remember, trading is a journey, not a destination, and continuous learning and improvement are key to achieving long-term success. In summary, the pros and cons of algo versus manual trading are critical to understanding the advantages and disadvantages of each approach. By weighing these pros and cons, you can make an informed decision that suits your trading style and goals. Remember to define your trading goals and objectives. Assess your trading style and preferences, evaluate your resources and expertise, and test and evaluate different trading approaches. Also, don't forget to continuously learn and adapt to changes in the markets and trading technologies. By following these steps, you can create a powerful trading strategy that helps you to achieve your goals and minimize losses. That's everything for Lesson 11.2, Pros and Cons of Algo versus Manual Trading. If this lesson has helped you to understand the advantages and disadvantages of algo and manual trading, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Tick to Loot for more trading lessons and tutorials. We'll see you in the next lesson, where we'll dive deeper into the world of algorithmic trading and explore more advanced topics and strategies. That is everything for Lesson 11.2, Pros and Cons of Algo versus Manual Trading. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to Tick to Loot so you never miss a lesson. Drop a comment below. What was the most useful thing you learned today? See you in the next lesson, looters. Keep turning those ticks into treasure.